Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair your JBL Live 460 noise cancellation headphones with any Android phone or Android tablet. First of all, before the pairing, remember to charge your headphones for like 20 minutes and also disconnect any previously connected devices. Next, you have to rotate your headphones and find this button with the indicator. Then move it like that. After a few moments, indicator turns on, and we have to also find the second button. It's actually this one. Let me just catch focus on it. Okay, that's the Bluetooth button. We have to click on it once, and then this indicator is blinking. It means that we are in the pairing mode. So we have to open the Bluetooth settings on our device, turn it on, and then select JBL Live 400 noise cancellation headphones, accept the pairing, and next you have to go to the Play Store and download JBL headphones application. This one. I already have it, but if you don't have, just click install and wait until the download will be finished. Next you have to open this application, and as you can see, when we previously connect these headphones by the standard Bluetooth settings, we can already find them right here. We can skip this quick tutorial, and right now we can successfully use our headphones with our Android device like Android phone or Android tablet. So yeah, that's how we can do this. Hope you like it.